Tired of being this person? I bet! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold a fitted sheet in 60 seconds. Hey friends, welcome to Adulting with Esther, the show where we talk about the things that you don't learn in school. I'm Esther, and today we're going to be talking about how to fold a fitted sheet in 60 seconds or less. If you're new here, welcome. Consider hitting subscribe down below. And if you stick around to the end, I've got a bonus for you. I'm going to show you how to take your fitted sheet and your top sheet and your pillowcases and bundle them all together so they never get separated again without any extra tools. Without further ado, let's get started. First things first, shake out your fitted sheet to make sure that there's no more wrinkles in there, and get out any extra socks that got tossed in there by the dryer that you accidentally forgot about. Using both of your hands, stick them into the corners from the inside. Bring your two fingertips together with the sheet still on them. Pinch the corner of the sheet in your left hand with your right hand and the sheet still on it. Using your left hand, invert the sheet and flip it over onto your right hand. Now your right hand is holding both corners. Use your left hand to help you shake it out. Gravity is your friend. You want to get all the wrinkles out so that you can fold a really flat sheet. Using your left hand, we're going to repeat all these steps. Coming in from the outside, find the inside corner of the fitted sheet. Keeping the corner of the sheet on your left hand, find the other corner and insert it into it. Now your right hand and your left hand should each be in a corner. Your entire sheet should be folded in half. Then repeat steps 3 and 4 to fold your sheet in half again, making it a quarter of the entire size. That means on one hand, you'll have all 4 corners. Hold it up and shake it out using gravity to help you. Folding a fitted sheet while standing can be a little bit intimidating, especially for beginners. Feel free to take it to the bed or the table or even the floor if you need a little bit more support while figuring out that second set of corners. I'm going to show you how now. The first part is the same as before, so I'm going to zoom through it really quick. After you get that first corner done though, now you can take it to a flat surface. Taking it to a flat surface will make it so that the first corners that you set up don't fall apart and you're able to use 2 hands to get the other 2 corners set up. That's really the only advantage. Personally, I think using a flat surface is a little trickier because gravity isn't there to help you as much. And finish it up the same way. But now, I have a question for you. What kind of sheets do you prefer? Let me know down in the comments below. And hey, if you're getting value out of this video so far, hit that like button. The secret to folding your sheet into the same size that they get it at the store is by using thirds. Fold in the side with all the elastic first. And then when you fold it in thirds again, go from the side that's a little more rounded so that you have nice square corners, and voila! Still don't think a fitted sheet can be folded in less than 60 seconds? Challenge accepted. That was a close one. All right, friends, we made it. I told you at the beginning I was going to show you how we could bundle together your fitted sheet, your top sheet, and your pillowcases all into one set without using any extra tools. This is a great trick if you find yourself losing pillowcases or mismatching sheets. Let's get to that. In order to do this, you need to make your sheets the same size. Using a partner or standing on a chair, you need to fold your sheet in half twice lengthwise. So basically you'll have a 1/4 strip that's really long. Then fold it in half hamburger style, making the 2 ends touch. Fold it in half again, making those 2 ends touch, and fold that in half lengthwise, making those 2 sides touch. And then fold it in thirds. Fold the bulkier end in first. To fold your pillowcase into the same size, fold it in thirds both ways and stack them up in a nice pretty pile. And the way we're going to keep them all bundled together is we're going to use your second pillowcase for safekeeping. Put your fitted sheet inside all the way, and then put your top sheet, and then shove in your pillowcase. Wrap the pillowcase around it nice and tidy. Now your two sheets and your pillowcases are all going to stay together, and you won't have to worry about having mismatching sets or even losing a pillowcase. Friends, thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to fold a fitted sheet so you can take better care of your things. If you got value out of this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe down below. And remember, let me know down in the comments what kind of sheets you prefer. I'm always looking for a good deal. Let me know if you find one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.